How to add QR code in OneXpert app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add QR code, you need to go to your settings first. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right. Next up, select the settings gear icon in the top right corner. After you're in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Now, if you want the QR code in order to share the app, you can see this share the app via QR code option. You can tap on it and you will get the QR code in order to share this app with others. Whereas, if you want to enable the QR code login, then over here you can see this QR code login option. You can enable this feature. It will send you the code in your number. After that, you can tap on this confirm button. As you can see, the QR code authentication has been enabled. From now on, you can even log into your account via QR code. As you can see here, the new option is visible. Scan QR code to log in. So you can simply tap on this and you can scan the QR code to log into your account. So that's it. That's how you can easily add QR code in your OneXpert account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.